So the raffle is still going on, guys and gals, and my number is not yet being called. You know what, a while ago, there's a client of Mr. Ang who approaches him, gave him 1,000 pesos. It's a simple gift for him, and then according to the lady, it's Master Ang's treat for a coffee treat. And then Master Ang insists, and he decided to include it on the raffle. Included it onto the raffle, okay? So
29. Hindi pa tayo tapos sa mga kanina.
seems that everyone here are excited to have a raffle.
59.
My number is 78.
Meron? Bigay. Hawak mo na ulit ha. 59. Bubulutin pa natin yan. Bubulutin pa natin yan. Hanggang sa maubos to. 18. 18, nakakatiw ulo sa inyo. Meron ba? Hawakan niyo po ulit yan. Meron ba yan? Mamaya.
Sakay lang
Parang tingin ko lang ang makakauwi. Lahat makakauwi. 20! Iuuli natin ang appliances, pero uulitin natin, banggitin yung mga numbers niyo.
So according to him, guys and girls, once your number is being called, you still have the chance to win. See that? Only here. Just Master Ang make it that kind of raffle game. Compared to other games, you only win once, but him you can win twice or thrice. There she is, 63.
Hindi pa tayo tapos hawakan ng pala.